Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. So I get asked this question about training. So of course we don't do training, not officially. I've been known to dabble in training and do some one-offs for customers who really wanted me to do a session, but that's not our specialty. That's not what we do. The question that I get asked is, hey, Microsoft makes all these products, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and now all these cloud products, Power BI and all this. And hey, why doesn't Microsoft do any training? So the easy answer to that is Microsoft does do training. Let me explain. So let me jump onto my computer and I'll show you what I mean by that. So Microsoft does training based on videos and articles that they write about different products, right? So here I am on the Microsoft training website. So to get to training, it's support.microsoft.com/en-us, which is your region, so en English-us/training. They have these training sites for different regions, different languages, all kinds of different languages. So easy way to get there, support.microsoft.com/en-us/training, and it will land you right here. Now here you can go down into all kinds of training. So first you can drill down right here, right? You can drill down by the product. And then there are some templates you can get to, some quick starts, some tips. Now, some of you are thinking that, oh, I know about the quick starts and the tips and these are the basic things. So they're not basic. Every time I go through even the tips, I learn something new. And I've been working with Microsoft technology for, I don't know, years and years, many years. The thing is, there's always things that come down from the dev team that get put in tips that not a lot of people know about. So if you go through these and you are up to date on this, you will be up to date on whatever Microsoft has to offer. They have web-based training for Office, so you can check it out right there. There's a link for that. There's how to collaborate, so collaboration technologies that Microsoft has, cheat sheets. All kinds of stuff that you can imagine. And you know what? Most of this, well, actually all of it is free. So it doesn't cost you anything, so might as well use that. So when people ask me, what should we do when we need training, or we need our users to get some training, what should we do? And when I tell them, well, have you been, go to the Microsoft site. Why haven't you been to Microsoft site? Have them go through training over there. First, not a lot of people know about that Microsoft offers training. And second, it's rare, but sometimes people have heard about Microsoft training, but then they think that it's just, that crappy entry-level stuff. But it's not. And I don't know why that assumption is there, that maybe it's back from the Clippy days, how the Clippy in Office used to just bother you all the time. Maybe it's a remnant from those days. But this training is really good, and it's something that you should look at. And I'll put in the URL in big letters on the screen as well, just so you know. But so you can get to it easier. So the thing is, Microsoft has a lot of training material out there. If your users can absorb 20% of it, I'm sure they won't need any third-party training. So that's it. I just wanted to let everybody know that Microsoft does do training, and there's a lot of training material. It's free. You just have to go out there and look at it. Now, this is not even talking about some of the Microsoft video blogs that come out from different teams that started relatively recently. This is traditional content types that we have on the Microsoft website. So check it out, and if you know of some good resources where people can get some free training, let me know. I'll be happy to send that info out to users and people, so people can make their lives easier. It helps everybody at the end. But go to support.microsoft.com/en, short for English, -US, short for USA, /training, and all your training at your fingertips is right there. Just wanted to make a quick video on that. Microsoft does do training, and it's pretty good training, and some of the stuff could be stuff that you've encountered before. But then, like I said, every time I go through some of these training articles and videos, I learned something new, something that is very simple that I didn't even think about, and it's like, oh, I didn't know that could be done. Yeah. Let me know what you find out that you didn't know could be done before. I've kind of stumbled on that myself a few times. So until next time, everybody have a great day and be safe out there.